In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset race in Project Mujetsu. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you two very easy methods for you to reset your race. One of them is going to cost Robux, and the other one is going to cost currency that you can acquire in-game. So, for the first one, which is going to be by far the quickest, but it is going to be a premium solution because you do need Robux, all that you have to do is go over to the shop, and one of the potions that you will find in here is the Reset Race Potion for 350 Robux. You can purchase it for yourself or gift it to someone, and of course someone can gift it to you as well. And as the name suggests, drinking this potion is going to allow you to reset your race once. So purchase the potion for 350 Robux if you don't want to spend time grinding to get it elsewhere, and you will be able to get your race reset. After you purchase the potion, you will be able to drink it, and like I said, reset your race. Now, the other option is going to be available here on this game mode. So if you go over to this Conquest game mode, you will find this little miscellaneous potions stand. And one of them is going to be Reset Race. So this green one over here at the left. If you interact with this, you will be able to buy a Reset Race potion for 500 game mode currency. They sell them for 250 for the Urahara family, and as long as you acquire this amount of currency, you will be able to buy it here. Now, of course, I don't have the currency, so obviously I will not be able to show you how this looks on screen. But if you do have the game mode currency that you can acquire by playing this Conquest game mode, you will be able to purchase that. You have other potions, such as boost potions and growth potions, but for the most part, this is the one that most people want. As you can see, there's a big crowd here outside of this miscellaneous potions place. So all that you have to do is buy the Reset Race potions after you acquire 500 game mode currency. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset race in Project Mujetsu. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.